Welcome back, my YouTube friends and family. This is Lindsay, and I am back with more daily work from home job leads for you. Now, I'm always trying to mix it up, share things that you're not seeing on the other channels. Also, I'm trying to mix it up and not share the same thing over and over. But please do me a favor and leave it down in the comments below if you're looking to be in a certain industry or a certain job type, so I can definitely keep my eyes open. But today we have some things for those of you who don't mind being on the phone. If the price is right, I have some easier customer service jobs. I even have a high paying customer service job that pays up to $70,000 a year. We have some healthcare jobs, and at the end, I even threw in a part time job if you're looking for a little bit more, not a full time type schedule. We're going to dive all in. Links, timestamps, all additional information is always found in the YouTube description box below the video. Now, first up, we have errands hiring. I'm not sure if there's errands all over the country or if they're located in just certain areas. I have errands where I live. They're kind of like rent-a-centers. They have where you can get like furniture, TVs, things like that, appliances on payment plans. They have 2,200 reviews from past and current employees. And I apologize, I don't know what Glassdoor is doing here lately, putting a bunch of information about the company culture in the middle. I will try to get the star rating at the bottom of the screen as best I can to show up. It's just you have to kind of scroll to even see the star rating these days. I'm not liking that. But regardless, Aaron has a 3.1 out of 5-star rating. They're looking for a customer retention agent. Now, please note this does say it is a virtual remote work from home position, but pay for this one is a little bit on the starter end. It's anywhere from $15.30 an hour up to $15.80 an hour, but they're looking for somebody to work in their virtual remote call center. And you're going to be taking inbound phone calls and making outbound phone calls, assisting customers with resolving their lease agreements. So maybe they have rented something and they can't make the payments and they need to schedule errands to come pick it up, or maybe they just have stopped making the payments, or their payment that automatically drafts from the bank account has not gone through and you're reaching out trying to set up payment plans with them. You're just working with them to resolve and get those payments in on lease agreements that they've previously made. Now, does not require any college degree, just a high school diploma and 2 years of customer service experience. They want somebody, of course, who can work a computer, work a basic software systems like those Microsoft Office systems, and have great communication skills. Now, this next job is going to be in the healthcare space. The company is NTT Data. They have a lot of reviews, 28,000 reviews, and a pretty good overall rating of 3.8 out of 5 stars. They are looking for an enrollment and billing representative. Now, one thing I do want to point out about this position, when you click on the link to this job, if you're interested in it in the YouTube description box, it's going to load the top bar page with all of their company information or images. Is pretty large, so you're actually going to have to scroll a little bit to get to the job, but it is enrollment and billing, and it does say that they are permanently remote throughout the United States, so they don't seem to have any state restrictions. But they are looking for somebody to work with their provider enrollment and billing back office activities specifically for Medicaid. So you're going to oversee the data integrity of member enrollment records and remittance files that are transmitted from the state, provide support for the eligibility load process in the computer system, coordinating with different departments to resolve any issues that arise during that process, and provide research to correct errors in membership and primary care physician data into the system. So I work in the healthcare space, and I've worked with these files with Medicaid before. And basically how that works is different, sometimes Medicaid contracts with other companies to provide coverage and insurance. Some states have like managed Medicaid. So like Blue Cross Blue Shield might manage the Medicaid program for some people, the same with like United Healthcare. So how do they know what patients or what members have Medicaid, who their primary doctors are, And when the customer, patient, or whatever has gone to their Medicaid or social services office and updated their information, what happens is every week the state sends a file to these companies they're contracted with. And in that file, it has all the information that has been updated, if people's addresses have been updated, if their eligibility dates, their benefits, their dependents, all that information. And so you've got to load that into your own personal, not your personal, but the company's computer system, so that the company is processing these claims correctly. Now, what happens if you don't get that state file loaded, or it loads but it's with errors? Then a patient's claims might not get paid. You might say the patient does not have coverage when they actually do. So you're just getting those files from the state, loading them into the computer system, and of course, making sure that they are error free. Now, they are looking for somebody who can work different shifts between 7 a.m. Eastern Time and 8 p.m. Eastern Time. You'll only work 40 hours, but they do operate 7 days a week. So they're looking for somebody who can basically be a little bit flexible in the hours that you work. You have logical thinking skills, good communication skills, good comprehension skills, and you can interact with people in a professional manner. Now, if you're looking to do customer service, if the price is right, SchoolStatus is paying very well for a customer support representative. They only have 46 reviews from past and current employees. They do have an overall rating of 3.5 out of 5 stars. They are looking for a customer support specialist. This is remote for the United States. So, in this role, you're going to manage not only conversations with people, but also the AI chatbot for your product reviewing conversations. So, you are basically providing tech support to SchoolStatus's customers through phone, email, online chat, and resolving chatbot issues and resolving inquiries in a professional manner. So, you are trying to diagnose and troubleshoot software problems basically with people using the SchoolStatus platform. You're identifying the root cause and implementing any solutions so that users are not disrupted from being able to use the platform. You're also, when you're not helping with tech support, you're going to assist in the creation of the support documentation, like FAQs, knowledge base articles, things like that. So, this is basically software tech customer support. Now, while they do prefer somebody who has a bachelor degree in some kind of related field, they will take equivalent work experience over a degree. So, if you have experience and no degree, that's okay. You do have to have at least 1 year of customer service or tech service, tech support. You've got to be very strong technical, like knowledge. You can work with software applications, you can troubleshoot, you can resolve issues, great communication skills, and the ability to kind of work independently. Now, if you have knowledge or training in the education space, that is a plus. It is advantage, but it's not a requirement. And of course, pay is where this job shines, anywhere from $57,000 a year up to $70,000 a year. Now, Ventra Health is also hiring for a healthcare position. They have 209 reviews with an overall rating of 3.6 out of 5 stars. They are looking for a payment posting escalation specialist. This is remote nationwide for the United States. And they're really looking for somebody to help resolve their day to day escalation or clarification requests with regards to assisting with audits, training, higher level account issues where payment posting is concerned. So you're managing these escalations from internal team members, investigating and resolving matters that clients escalate as well, researching and completing like special projects for payment posting, assisting with departmental training as needed, and assisting with audits also. So, in the healthcare payment posting world, what happens is either a patient makes a payment on their account or the insurance company makes a payment. And when insurance company makes a payment, they don't make individual payments. They make like bulk payments. So like if a hospital sees, 200 patients in one day and 50 patients have Blue Cross Blue Shield. All of those claims go to Blue Cross Blue Shield, and they only pay like once a week, once every 2 weeks. They have a payment cycle. And what they do is whatever Blue Cross is going to pay for those patients' claims, they send it all on one check, and then they send like a remittance advice or explanation of benefits with that check that breaks down how much they're paying for each patient. So this big payment has to get broken down and each smaller payment applied to the patient's accounts. So the correct payment amounts for each each patient need to be applied in the computer system. And so these have to be audited to make sure there were no errors in the payment posting and things like that. So that's what you're here to do. Only requires high school diploma or GED. They do want somebody who has 2 years of experience in insurance payments in a healthcare setting, or 1 year of experience kind of in escalation for payment posting. You can read explanation of benefits. You have basic computer, internet, telephone skills, basic math skills. And of course, last but not least, we have a part-time position from the company Intoxalock. Now, Intoxalock makes those breathalyzer machines that go on cars that you have to blow in to start a car. They have 155 reviews from past and current employees, an overall rating of 3.3 out of 5 stars. They are looking for a part-time customer operations specialist. And of course, you're going to be answering phones or incoming questions from customers who have that ignition interlock device where you have to blow into it to get your car to start. You are going to manage a high volume of customer interactions. You've got to identify and assess and resolve customer needs in real time. So, providing accurate, relevant, and complete information to the customer. So, maybe they are having some kind of tech issues, the device is not working, or maybe they haven't made a payment on their device. You can also process customer payments as needed. Now, this does only require a high school diploma and some customer service experience. They don't say how much experience. Other than that, you've got to be able to stay calm, customer focused, work good under pressure, great communication skills, great like critical thinking and problem solving skills, and the ability to work 25 to 30 hours a week. But they do have different shifts available if you're looking for something kind of part-time to work within your shift. And pay is anywhere from $19 an hour up to $24 an hour. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a fabulous rest of your day, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.